Heading na. Inanay siya guys ba? Oh, what's companion mode? Sige. Okay. So, can we continue now, guys? Guys?
Sige, sir.
Sige, sige, sige. Okay. So, I'm done with the creating of the database. So, next is we're going to create our table. Okay? So, to create a table is create table, then the table name. So, ang table name na ko guys is uh, student lang, no? Without S. Student, or okay, student lang. And then double quotation, double open close parentheses, and then let's say last, let's say student underscore ID, then constraints and end lang atong dito type, comma. Okay, then the last name. Okay, so I'll just use bar chart or bar car. Okay. First name, sample lang. Bar car. Okay. So assuming kanilang sa duha guys, kanilang tulo no para dali ra. Okay. So just click the execute kining murag flash. So there you go. Oy, nag-error ang student. Sige, sorry. No data. Sorry. I forgot. So let me just use the students by the way, guys. So I have to use the students there. Then I have to activate the students. So there you go. But in your exam, guys, it's a written man, so you don't need to activate it. Okay? Just go directly to your code, just like this one. Kanisha. Okay, so I can execute this one right now. Okay, so I have already now my table. There you go. I have my table right now, students. So if I am going to go and type select asterisk from student, so meaning any guys, I'm going to display all the data from student table, which is coming from also my students database. Okay. So let me run it. So it's supposed to display all the data, but right now the table is still empty. So let's try to put some what do you call this? Let's put some data in your table. So to insert a data, you just use insert into. By the way, pwede ra small or capital letters. Insert into, then the table name, which is the student. Okay, so there are two ways to insert, guys, no? So let's go first with the one, what you call this one? Let's go first with the shortcut. Insert into students, and then you can put values. Okay, not students, student today, student. Okay, then values. Then you can now put your value there. Okay, so if you notice, you have only 3 columns here. So kinanglan tulos na siya ka column if it is a shortcut. Okay, so let's say 1. So we don't need the double quotation mark because the student ID is it's a number. So if you see a number, meaning that's an integer lang sa. Okay. And then for the last name, let's say Orais, we have to put a double quotation mark, Orais. Then don't forget the comma also. And then let's say Edward. Okay. So if you, okay, so it's successful. So I'll just put another one here. SQL, sorry. So this is how we select asterisk from student so that we can see the output. There you go. I have now student rise. Now, I can also insert a multiple value. Let's say I'll do 2. Let's say Kayakap Anthony. Okay. Then you can put comma here to have another one. Say 3. Then comma. Let's say Kalo. And then comma. And then Ray. So if I... Oh no, we have an error here. Check the manual. Okay. So I think you have to please semicolon here for a while. Oh, shatom. What I know, there are 3 comma pa dere, guys. So careful na. So there you go. So if we go here again, so you have now Kayakap and Kalo. Okay? So that's how you insert in your table. Now let's go back to our uh, notes here. So we are done with creating table. So dropping database is just deleting database. So wala na ako gyapon sa exam guys no kay that's really man good nga gamiton. Let's go for renaming a table guys. So to rename a table, so for example students to ganiha, di ba? So let's try to rename the table. So I'll just use this one. I'll just use this one na lang. Okay, we don't have to create man again. So rename, then table, and then the table name. So the student, then two new table name. So let's say I'll student file, something like that lang. Okay, let's try kung magana ba. Oh, there you go. So if I'm going to refresh this one becomes student file. There you go. It becomes student file. Okay. So that's how you rename it. Next is alter table. Okay. Alter table meaning we can change something in our table, guys. No. So drop a table is deleting a table. So we don't do that. And I'm not including that in your exam. So alter a table meaning you can change inside your columns. Okay, so let's add some column. No, let's add a column nga age. Okay, sige. Let's do alter, then table name which is student file na yan table. Okay, for a while. Student file, then okay, sorry, I have to put alter table and then student file and then you are going to add a column. Okay, so add, then let's say age, and then the data type, let's see ent. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, so let's go back here and it's student file na guys, dili na siya student. Okay, so there you go, we have now the age. So the problem is the the column is all null ang iyang row. So let's try to put some value of that age. Okay, so to put a value, so okay, for a while, butangan tatog value. No, later na lang guys, butangan tatog value. So let's go first to renaming the column name. Okay, so for example, let's say I'm going to rename the student ID to ID lang. Okay? Kaning student ID atong i-rename to ID. Okay. So we're renaming the column guys ha, not the row data. Okay. So let's go student ID. So we have to write here. So still alter table, then the table name. So student file, that's the table name. Then rename. Rename ba? Okay, rename. Rename and unsa nga column. So ang column is the student ID. Okay. Then two ID lang. Okay? Sige, let's try that. Pwede ra wala semicolon by the way. O nag-error siya. Let's go back here. Rename column name, then new column name. Alter table. Why? Why? Alter table name. Rename student ID to ID. Two is not. Not by two. I think rename student ID. Okay. Rename column. Okay. Sorry. That's still two, but we need to type the word column. I think so. Okay. So there you go, guys. So let's go back here. So it becomes ID now. Okay. So I forgot to follow this syntax and column, guys. Okay. Now let's go to modify our column. So meaning we're going to change, let's say if you are going to change the data type, so that's how you modify a column. So for example, okay, what I'm going to change. Okay. So what I am going to change right now, okay, if we click this one, by the way, guys, you can see the murag iyang information, no? So I'll just change the the number of characters sa last name of first name. Instead of 20, ato siya ilisan og 15. Okay? So let's do that. So alter table and then column name and then the data type. Okay, sige. So let's go for alter table. Saan may alter table? Nawagtang na to akong ikuan, guys. Kaning alter table student file. Then we are going to modify. Okay, so modify column. Okay, column. And then the name of the column. So I'll just, the last name lang guys, last name. And then the data type. Say bar car. Okay, 15. So kana lang siya. So let's try that. Okay. So if we refresh this one, look at the last name guys ha. From 20, may mo siyang 15. Okay. So that's how you modify. But if you want to change the data type, pwede, sad. Okay, so for example, nasayop ka, ang age imo na varchar. So you can make it as int, if ever. Okay, sige. Let's go here. This one here is, let's say, okay, let's say, I will change, uh, the arrangement instead of last name maguna gusto ko si first name ang maguna, so I can do that by using this one still alter table. Okay, so let's go for alter table here. Okay, so we got modify column then data type o kana si last name na lang, no? Kung si last name akong i-change, so that should be varchar 15 and I do after first name. Okay, so after first name, so ma-change na si iyang order. So maguna na si first name. Sige, let's try. Oh, there you go. Let's go back here. Okay. Observe this one, guys. Kani, first name and last name. So there you go. Nag-change na sila. Okay. Question so far, guys? Tingog lang o wala?
Wala na, sir.
Okay, sige. Let's continue. Okay, so our next is, okay, we're done with the alter table. Okay. By the way, if you want to make it first instead of after, imo siyang ibutang as first. Okay, for example, ato lang niya ibalik. Sige. For example, si last name imong himuong last. So I think last man siguro ibutang dali. Okay, let's try that. Oh, di siya pwede. Okay, after first. Pwede ba? After first? What's error? How about that? There you go. First siya guys. So ato ibalik. I-select na nato si first name ng first. So ato lang ibalik bati mo siya ang first name i-first na to. Atong ilisan og ID. ID which is an end. Itong ibalik si ID. End siya. Okay. So ako lang ibalik si ID guys. There you go. Okay. So we're done with the alter. So let's go to the select. Kuha lang sa ta. Update lang before we go back to select. So let's go for update. Dara, kani. Okay. Let's not do the constraints lang sa. Let's do the update. Okay. Okay. So for example, guys, we can change inside data of the table. No. So first is we can change a data from a specific row. So let's say for example, I want to change here kani siya ang null guys. Gikan siya sa null, let's say first lang sa kanina dili null. I want to change the Edward into Edward Mooney. Okay? So we can do that? So actually I'll just copy this one para di kita ma-copy na to diha, no? Then let's place it here. Okay. Bati mo tanahon noon. Sige, unsa may atong iset guys? Ang atong iset right now is uh column name first name. Sorry. Okay, first name ito no. Itong Edward. Nga ato siya ilisan og Edward Muni na siya. And then the column set first name column name. No, this one here guys, if you are going to set kuan, ano siya tawagan kanang multiple value in one row. So here, I'm going to use the ID, guys. I'm going to use the ID. For ID, where ID is equals to something ID ni Edward, guys. 1 si Edward. So, where ID is equals to 1. So, let's try that. Okay, atong ipo-run. Error siya. Anong error mo siya? Check the manual. I think the comma there, sorry. Comma. Okay, the reason why there is a comma earlier is we're trying to change supposedly multiple data, no? So napasa tayo error there instead of first name naka first the name. There you go. Okay, kana I think that's the correct one. Okay. The student's table doesn't exist. Okay. Sorry. This one, student. I forgot that one. Student file. That should be the name of the table. You are using safe update mode and you tried to update a table without sana siya pangalan niya? Sorry. Let's try. Let's put that. Lang lang ba siya, di ba? Okay. For a while, guys. Let me refresh this one. Wala pa. Okay, let's go back to our column name value. Where column name value. Okay. For ID man siya, no? ID is equals to 1. Where ID is equals to, yes, it's 1. You are using safe mode and you tried to update. What do you mean by safe mode? Sige, for a while. I forgot. Say safe mode, ha? I forgot. Okay. Update table name set, column name. That's the first name. Equals value. Where column name is equals to value. Where ID is equals 1. Yes, that's correct. Diba? Ano, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No, that's only 13. Okay, sige. What's the matter? Let me try this one again. You're using safe mode where ID is equals to 1. Okay, for a while. I think nakasugat ani nga error before, guys. Sige, let me clear this one for a while. Not balik yung error. Update student file. Set first name is equals to Edward Mooney. Then where ID is equal to 1. Diba? Ito man. Sige, for a while. Where ID is equals to, ano ba? Isa siya pwede. Double equal. I forgot lagi. Sige, for a while, guys. Let me get back into this visa for a while. So, okay. Hmm? Yan no man ka. Sugat to error ani for a while. Ay. Eh, for a while, guys. Appeal ba ni sa inyong exam? No, the syntax is actually correct, no? Something wrong with my, maybe my table students, student file, and set the first name, Edward Muni. Let's try to erase this one. O di yapon siya. So that should be like that. Ay, sorry. So this should be, the first name should be Edward Muni. Eh, Muni lang ko na nato. Eh. Pero yapon siya. Sige, Edward Muni. Then set ID is equals to 1. Let's try this one. Oh no, what happened? Where ID is equals to 1. Let's, okay. Sensya na guys ha. Palabans na kadit ni W3 Schools. What happened to this one? Let's go to SQL. And let's go to update. Create alter foreign update. Where are you? There you are. Okay, so where the condition? So that should be, oh, that's correct. Condition is equals to 1. Yeah, that's correct. What happened? Where customer ID is 1. Correct siya guys. Your customer ID is one. So correct siya ang kuan, ang ato ang kuan. Update customer's contact name. Then equals. Okay, let's try this one. I think we need only single quotation mark. Let's try that. And let's put some like that. You are using save mode, update mode, and you tried to update a table without something wrong. So yeah, let's get back to this one, guys. But I think we need to set the kuan guys, no? Commit og katong rollback auto commit, which is wala pa sa rin ako na-discuss ninyo. Pero sige lang guys, in your exam, the syntax is actually correct. Something wrong lang with the save mode, okay? So yeah, let's continue with this one guys. Kani set tonal na to. Oh, how about if we're going to put instead of putting ang tonal value atong butangan og kuan, let's try kung pwede ba siya. Sige. Ito ni butangan ilang age. Okay. Set na to ang age. Pwede ba? Student file. Itong butang age of 28 where ID is 1. Pwede ba? Update yapon mode. Oh no. Update yun sa may update mode niya. Sige, for a while, let me use the students again. Okay, and then let's go back here. Safe mode siya. Refresh na to kadiya. Let me get out again with this one, guys. MySQL Workbench. But don't worry, guys. Because this is appeal ra ba ni sa inyong ko ano. Marag na ako'y settings nga na kalimtan ani. But the statement, guys, is actually correct. So let's try to use students. Okay. And then let's try to select asterisk from student file. So there you go. And let's try to set, where's the set right now? This one. Ah, why am I safe mode? Where should I forgot this one. Take it for a while. Let me. The last time we have this one, what ako ni na. Sige, for a while. Okay, sige lang guys, don't worry. Basta guys, to change uh to change a value from the table, this one is actually correct. So I'm setting my from null, I'm going to set the age into 28 where ID is equals to 1. Let's go back to file. ID na may nga diyan ano? ID is end. Yan na ba 1 lain? Bother ng 1 na. Sorry. Yeah, it's 1. It's ID, it's end, it's end. Sige. Ato lang ikuan guys for a while. Atong himuong constraints ang kuan. Let's go back here. Sige, I think ang updating ani na is something wrong lang dito guys. No? So deleting a row is one of the kuan sa diba. Sige, try na ko ang delete row guys ha. Delete from. Sige, let's go. Delete, sorry. Delete from student file. Sorry. student, ito try. Student, delete from student prior column where ID is equals to 1. Na to, makadelete ba siya? Maugya po. The update guys is use a safe mode right now. Sige. I think na correct ni before. Who can remember? I just forget the one settings. Sige, let's go directly to the settings as select na lang guys, no? So, I will just put another one lang file. Let's say, ito lang ni butangan og another value para maka modify ang makakuanta. Maka-query yun ta. So, kaya ka burn na lang ni para na iparehagngan. And then kalo Sean. Okay. Yan na. So, ito na insert. Insert into student file. Column count doesn't match. Why? Kay na ay age di ay. Sige. Ato dala ni butang anog age. 16 and this one here is let's say 17. There you go. So kana 16 ug 17. Okay, so let's go to select na lang guys. Kay daghan ra ba kay select sa inyong exam. Pero again guys, again the what do you call this one? The syntax of this one here is actually correct. So in your exam, if you answer something like this, that's correct. Because it's a written man sad guys. No? Dili man ninyo ikuan. So if you follow that syntax, that's correct. Okay? So let's go to select. Where's the select here? So, kani ang select. Apply download guys. Bigyan mo rag. Di lagi siya mo. Hindi siya mo open. Okay. Hindi mo siya mo open eh. For a while, let's go to my notes sa downloads. Hopefully na i-select dire. Wala i-select. Sige. Wala man. Sige. Kuhan na lang. Dire na lang guys. Okay. Sige. Now, how about if we are going to display all the kuhan guys, no? All the data. So this is how you display all the data. You're going to use the asterisk. Asterisk meaning everything. So tanan, all. Okay. Now, how about if we are going to list only the last name and the first name nga mga rows, no? So instead of using this one, so you do select, let's say last name, comma, first name from student file. Pwede sa inang pagsuwat, pwede ra. Pwede ra na pagsuwat guys, no? So then it will only display the last name and the first name. Okay? So next, if you are okay, same lang yapon. If you want to display the ID, then you have to include the ID here. Pwede na sad. ID na siya. So, if you are going to also imo siyang i-organize, in order nimo ID una, then ang ID ang imong unahon og butang diha. Let's say ID, and here is the last name. Pwede sad. So there you go. Okay, now how about if we are going to distinct? Let's say I want to sige, I want to display an indistinct at ng last name. Sige, select distinct and then last name. Sorry. Did I select distinct from student file where sorry. Select distinct mm, last name for a while. Di mo nga si last name. Ang distinct. Okay. Let's try this one. Mga ba na? Unknown. Last name in field list. Ay, sorry. Ano na siya last name. So, there you go. Diba? So, Orais Kayakap Kalo. Diba? Earlier, there are two Kayakap, there are two Kalo. So, i-distinct niya. Okay. So, next. How about if I'm going to display all the records that having a null value o sa age. Di ba naman null value, no? So we do select. When we all, you have to use asterisk. Okay? Select asterisk from student file where age is null. Sakto ba? Sige, ito is why null. Okay. So there you go. So mono siyang null. Okay? So I think pwede sad is not null. Kung not null imo ibutang diha, katong not null, katong na ay age. Okay? Then we can also where age is, try ko na to, less than 17. So supposedly, only Kayakap burn kay siya may less than 17. I don't know if the null is less than 17. Sige, let's try. Wala lagi less than 17. Where age is less than 17. Sige, atay ikon balik. Greater than 17. Greater than man ito. Less than 17 day. Sorry guys. There you go. It's only Kayakap burn. So kung greater than 16, so si Shanra. Okay? Okay, now how about if let's go back here. I want to display uh only Kayakap Anthony, no? Only Kayakap Anthony. So I can do something like select asterisk from student file where last name, sorry, where last name is equals to Kayakap. Okay. If this one guys, if I run this one, so there will be two Kayakap, but I want only Kayakap Anthony. So I would use the and then you do the first name is equals to what you call this Anthony. Okay, so if I run that, to only Anthony ang mo display. So because and here, actually wala ni sa logical operator ni we will have a more discussion in this one. Pero ako rin siyang i-appeal sa exam, guys. So that means if this is true and that's true, mo na yung execute. So yan ang pangitaon kinahanglan kay Yakap and Anthony. Kung or imong gamiton diya, guys, ang or man good, guys, if this is true, even if this is false, iyan ang i-display. Even if this is false and this is true, iyan ang i-display. So, kung yun na, so either kayakap or na ay Anthony, automatic i-display niya. So, in here, there are two kayakaps but there is only one Anthony. So, ang i-display ani, si Bern o si Anthony. Look, there you go. Okay? Oh, let's say kayakap and then or age is null. Nana. So kinsa may kayakap nga nay null si Antonera, di ba? No, sorry. Ang iyang i-display either naay word nga kayakap or naay age nga null. So either naay word nga kayakap, so if you notice si kayakap burn there, even if it is null, even if it is not null, since na siya last name nga kayakap, i-display yapon siya. Now, Kalure, even if it is not kayakap, but naa siya, ang yang age is null. So, either of these two, kung punsay na ay kayakap or na ay null, i-display niya. Okay? So, kato si, kinsa may wala diha, si Kalo Sean, dili man siya, wa siya kayakap, niya, dili siya null. So, wala siya yapil og display. Okay? So, that's the what do you call it? That's the difference between or and an. Okay, so pwede guys, let's say, select asterisk from student file where last name is not equal. Unsa gito is not equal, I think something like that. Is not equal kayakap. So, kung dili equal nga kayakap, gani guys, iyang i-display. So, si kayakap, dili niya i-display. There you go. So, all kayakaps are excluded. So, I think there are two ways to use the not. Either, what you call this one, exclamation mark, then equal. I think you can also do it this way. The greater than or less than. The less than and greater than. Let's try that. Okay? So, for example, not equal or rise, then the orais na dili ma-display diha. There you go. Okay? Questions, guys? Sige, I'm done actually. Go. Do you have questions? Lara? Sige. So, tomorrow guys, ang inyong exam, naa siya siya multiple choice. But it's all about the kuan gyapon. Katong mga select, create database. So since in your exam, you don't use the computer, so ang disadvantage lang ana is you will not be sure nga okay yun inyong kuan. But sometimes, pwede sad sure kung you are very sure nga sakto ni kay kasabot ko ni. Sorry. Close the door, guys. Okay. So the advantage lang sa written is, for example, sa update, kay I'll get back to you about the safe mode. I really forget how to set the safe mode. Kaya kalit ko na ito ko, wala ko kuan. So, the safe mode, ato na niyang, I will get back on you on the safe mode. But, the syntax on update of changing the name, changing the data inside the table is actually correct. So, what I mean is this one, guys, no? Asa tong update. adara. So kani nga update. Okay? Kana siya. Kung mag-set ka og null, oh. So basically, update table and then i-set nimo kung unsa imo i-change. So kung imo siyang inal, just put null. And then where? So we usually use the ID guys, no? Kay supposedly man tagod ang ID that should be primary. Okay? So wala na siya kapareha supposedly. In reality, ang usually nga butang diri is the ID. Okay? So I think the last time I discussed this one na nakuha to nako akong safe mode and ang usa nako na kuan is I think we have to create the constraints or put add some constraints but in your exam tomorrow since you're not using the computer so dili lang ta mo gamit of constraints so when you create the table just go directly use the column name and the data type you don't need the constraints anymore okay but definitely guys we will be using the constraints later especially in our PT okay so yeah I think that's all so sorry, I cannot open my select. What happened to my notes? So you let me open it again. Kung nga ba tayo nakalimutan sa SQL select. Hindi na dyan ko ka-open sa select. Ano ka? I think I have a select nga ko under sa documents. Select. Select. Wala dyan yung select. Let's try SQL notes. DML commands. Asa select wala. I don't know why I can't open the select. Username, username. SQL notes, customer, insert, no, tagad insert tagad siya. Although guys, no, kanang if you go to W3 schools, kanang mong SQL, that's the universal language of database. So if you go to select in here sa W3 schools, select, where is the select? SQL select na din sa unahan dahil. Select dara guys. So these are the different select, no? Select customer city, customer name, city, from customers. In WSTA school, uh, you can also what you call this one practice. No, look, run SQL. Mo na ipadagan na niya. Select customer name and city. So iyang i-display is only the customer name and city. So ang iyang reference ka table ani guys na rita na niyan database kini siya. No? Kana siya. So i-click na nimo customer table diha na diha. So you are selecting them all. For example, at rin suway be. Select country distinct. Select distinct country ba siya? Then from what customers. So i-run na to. Hopefully dili mag-error. Syntax missing operator distinct nor ang sayo pa spelling. Sa distinct, yes. Ano bang, mo ba? Okay. So there you go. So, distinct niya. So, Argentina, Australia, Denmark, mana siya. So, let's go back here. Pwede ninyo practicean actually, no? You don't need to activate the database because the database is gone. For example, select, let's say, select asterisk from customers where, sige, where, sa man natin yung where country is equals to Mexico. So tanang Mexico ra siya, guys. So there you go. Tanang Mexico nga kuan. Tanang data nga na ay Mexico ang ka sa country, mara na iyang display. So I think maura na iyang records diri. Tulo ra ka buok dili ko ka scroll down. Mara na tulo ka buok. Okay? So what else? Katong kuan. Unsa man? Sa man sige, try ko na nato. Mexico or country USA. Ah, so either country nga Mexico or country nga USA. So iyan ang ikuanta ng running mo ang SQL Mexico and na USA diha. There you go. Okay? So you can use the W3 schools by the way, no? To kuan. Dili lang kaka-create og table diri guys because the table is already there. Okay? Questions? I'm done.
Wala sir, sabot kami.
Okay, sige, sige. Good luck tomorrow, guys. By the way, naaray kuan guys no sa inyong exam tomorrow, nara ko gibutang adto nga extra paper adto din niyo isuwat inyong kuan SQL commands ninyo. Okay? So naray question dito just like what we did sa exercise number 2 na i-reference table, the database name is given, the table name is also given. Then, nada yun mga queries.
Dili ra discover.
Ha? Testo
Dili
ra ko
ra
guys. Dili na siya lisod. Uy. Kung nakabuhat mo itong exercise number 2, it's almost the same. Ang multiple choice, you just need an understanding lang, guys. No?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Sige, let me end my kwan. So I hope you are recording. No, I am recording right now, but I'm not sure if I can get the file immediately. But I think it takes more than 10 or 15 minutes. I will just try lang kung madawat na ko. The problem is, no, yeah, I can actually send it to your kuanday sa GC. Okay? Bye guys. I'll leave daw guys ha.
Ay, sir.
Oh yes.
Kinitanan, sir, mo gawas. Tanan na
Oo,
gidiscuss karon.
kato siya.
Ah,
From
kung
creating, yes.
ay sa exercise sir ba nay solution na mugana siya pero dili para sa imong gidiscuss. Mo ko na correct gaman na siya.
Mo correct ka po siya kay makasabot ra mong kuan na. Sige, give
Ah,
me an example ko no, Bern. Akong tanaw ng excerpt to, Bern, di. Sige, para
kali.
sige, atong tanaw ng excerpt to.
O kasabot
Na,
pod ato sir. Ni kalitrag gana.
sige, akong tanaw ng excerpt to, Bern. Excerpt to, mao na excerpt to, di ba? Excerpt to. Asa man ani?
Sa
Number on
sir, kung i-select nimo tanan na dili koan. Ay edit sir nimo select Germany then select UK.
mo select Germany ra ka?
Koan
Select Germany?
Germany and UK di ko mo gamit og kanang answer like ditso ra equals.
Ano siya sabot mo? Select country equals UK.
Oh, sir.
Pero di, ang or, kung mag-and ka, dili na siya pwede kung pareha o row. Pareha o column.
Oh, so sakto day ni siya na ditso ra equals.
Pwede ang or.
Sige.
Asa man ka ni? Asa nga number? Sige ko no. I'll try
Number
to
9 ra
answer.
to, sir. Mora to.
Kaning number 9?
Oh,
Display all customers from Germany and UK. Ang problema lang ani kinigamit magugaan, good no?
oh,
So supposedly Germany and UK sakto siya pero this is a catching question because Germany and UK is in the same kuan. So I have to use or. Mo error ni siya. Okay, let's go back sa katong ganiha. Sige, nindot ni nakuha mo. Kung ato ni gamitag and, I don't know kung mugana ba siya. Kita ka? O dili mugana?
Oh, muna sir.
Di siya mugana.
Tang rang and nya ni gana ra sir.
Gitangtang ra nimong and, ana ra nimo. Error man siya sa SQL. So you have to put or. Kay logical operator usually use if you have a multiple condition. This is a condition man. So kung nagbutang ko diag or, mugana na siya. Okay?
Sige, thank you sir.
Balik ta diri Kani siya. For example, kalo og kayakap. Di ba? Asa ni? Kani kalo og kayakap. Select. Okay. Select asterisk from student file where last name where last name is equals to kayakap, and then dito nimo diha last name is equals to kalo. Tanaw na to, mo error ba siya o dili? You have an error, di ba? Dara So imo na i-answer na nimo guys. Wala kay magawas, di ba? Kaya dili mo siya pwede kay pareha man sila last name, pero kung i-or na nako, magawas na either kayakap or kalo. Okay? So careful lang mo ana kanang mugamit kog and. Okay? Kaya if you notice, it's in the same row magud siya. Mo nang sometimes I can use and. Okay? Usually kung mugamit kog or gani, it's in different rows. For example, either kayakap or ray. So ang mo display ani tanang naay kayakap ug tanang naay ray. Ay walay ray lagi. Nabay ray gani ha? Ay kay last name man din ni puros. This should be first name. That should be first name. There you go na si Ray. So kung and akong ibutang diha, wala siya kay kinahanglan ang last name niya kayakap and ang iyang first name Ray, wala may Ray kayakap so wala mo display. Okay? Kanya kana siya pwede sad okay. So pwede sad ang age niya is null. So iyang kwan nun is katong naay kayakap unya null. Ang age niya is null sad. Si kayakap ramay na null kasi kayakap burn naman to age. Okay? Did I answer your question, guys? Yellow? Okay. So katong gingon burn nga dili no butangan og kuan, dili gito siya pwede mo error gito siya. So inig-check na ko ato, understandable it is an error. So nato minus siya.
So i-check din nimo sir.
Remember, yes, I have to manually check it. Remember guys, kung ang kana mag-wear gani ka, if it is more than one kuan gani, one condition, so kung duha na gani or more, kinahanglan i-connect na siya logical operator. So either or, and, not, XOR, but the usual is or og and. Then nasa not. Ato is null. Pwede sad is null. Or not, not. Okay? Question guys? Pero the usual is or and yun na siya. Mao na usually nga gamito na to. Okay, so are we done now guys? Any other questions?
No, okay, question.
Wala na sir.
Sige, go, Orlanes.
What's the difference sa and or?
Okay. Sige. The difference between and or, ako lang yung gamito na, ang kanang and, both sides must be true. kanang or uh, uh, ang or guys, sige. Ang or is actually if one sides or if any sides is true, it's always true. That's the or. Okay, so if we go back here, okay, sige, arita sa katong and. So kinanglan ang last name do niya kayakap and age is null. So kinanglan kaning condition mo true na siya o kaning condition is mo true sa ni siya. If we go back here atong tan-awon, select, sige, sorry. Select asterisk from student file. Di ba ni, ang pangutana is last name must be kayakap and age is null. Di ba? So kung last name nimo kayakap, true. Nya kanin siya, true man sa ni siya, di ba? So duha na ang true diri. But if we go here, nag-use man tag and, nya null siya, ningon to is null. So kanin siya true and true, so both sides are true, so i-display siya. Pero pag abot diri ni kayakap, age niya is not null man. So true and false is false. So wala na siya gi-display. Okay? So kung moingon kag or diha, okay, or is null. Display na nato. So daghan kay siya gi-display no? Sige. Balik ta diri sa kaning query. Diri. Ani, okay. Ang gibutang dito kayakap. So if we go here kayakap, we have true kayakap and kayakap. Okay? Oh. Or null. Si Urais null. Si kayakap null. Si Kalo null. Si kayakap dili null. Si Kalo dili sad null. So diri guys, true or false, that is still true. So muna si kayakap, ma-display siya si kayakap burn. Then here, false because it's not kayakap, but ang age niya is null. So false or true. So the result of false or true is still true. So here, true or true, the result still true. Here, false and true or true, the result is true. So that is why Orais Edward Kayakap Anthony, Kalo Ray, and Kayakap Bern is displayed except ni Kalo because Kalo is not Kayakap, 17 is not null. So false and false is, false or false is false. So that is why only Kalo shown ang wala na display diha. Did you get the point now?
Yes, sir. Kasabot ang kaya ko, sir.
Dara guys, another one para mas makasabot mo. I'll show you a truth table guys. Kung and gani guys, so kung true and true is equals true. True and false is equals false. False and true is equals false. False and false is equals false. If it is or, true and true is equals true. True, sorry. True or false is equals true. Sorry. True sa tani unahon. Okay. True or true is true. True or false, that's still true. Kay naay true. False or true, that is still true. False or false, that is false. Manay truth table niya, guys. So, in short, ang or kung if there is true, it's always true. Ang answer, if there is a false, it's always false. It becomes true if both sides are true. It becomes false if both sides are false. Okay? Questions? Or we're done? Okay na ta guys?
We're okay na, sir.
Sige. Sige, good night.
Sige, sir.
Okay,
sir.
good night. Wala na ikuan? Okay, sige. Bye. I leave the call now, guys, ha?
Sige, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye. Okay, welcome.
Excuse me, sir.
Ay, unsa man? Go.
Naka-record niya, sir.
Oh, naka-record yun siya.
Asa makita ng recording, sir?
Oh, maghuwat mo ako ikuan. Ako na ba
sige.
i-stop ang recording ra ba katungkuan sa ubang example?
Okay na, sir.
Pero sige lang, na-record man to nako. I-leave na nako ang call, then I'll just give you the link of the recording kung kuan na ma-email na nako, ha.
Sige, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, maybe after 15 or 20 minutes. Sometimes 30 minutes. Depende sa gitas-on. I think more than an hour lo ba ta? Taod to. Sige, bye guys. Okay, I'll try my best. Mga 11 akong ikuan kung makabutang ko. Bye guys.
Ka-record pa.
Uy, ay, record man eh. Uy, Dave, uy.